I just hit the tripod. Well, it's not a problem. You're here already. It's Hamish McNag, your old friend. Let's do a disassembly line of what, you ask? Of the Gravitas Vac 2.0. Sent to me by my dear friends Ben, who bench presses 1,500 pounds, and Emmy of Pen Venture. Now, let's see how you disassemble this pen. You can disassemble parts of it with just your bare hands. But for other parts, you'll need a wee little wrench, which you can purchase, a separate purchase from Gravitas. Now, let's start off simple. You take off the cap of the pen. And what can you do straight away without any special tools except for your big hands? You unscrew the section. Grab it tightly, grab the barrel, unscrew. If you can do that, you need to start bench pressing 1,500 pounds to work on your strength. Now, here's a section. There's an O-ring there. Don't lose it. Don't lose it. But if you do, you might be able to get some spares from our good friends at Gravitas. What else can you do with the section? In principle, you don't need to, but if you really wanted to, you can switch out these nibs. You take your hand, you put the nib in the crook of your finger. A little cough, but I'm okay. I'm in charge of my cough. Now, put your thumb on the section. Squeeze down, unscrew the section. Now, the nice thing about this is you can clean this bit out in case there is dirt, grime on there. The nice thing is, it's a metal section in it. So you can take that nib and feed, put your fingers right there, take the section, and just give it one swift twist. And it'll screw in place just like that. It's not a problem, is it? You don't need to do anything else. You don't need to over tighten it. It does that for you perfectly. It's wonderful. Now, at this stage, you can just take that barrel of the pen. You can take your favorite syringe. You can move that piston out of the way a bit. You can just squeeze water into that with a syringe, or just hold it under the tap. You can do that too. It doesn't matter. But if you want to go a little bit further, what if you say, this is not so smooth anymore? What do? Well, then you need to contact your good friends at Gravitas Pens. You need to get a little bit of that grease. You can purchase that from them. And you need to get your little wrench, which they call a spanner, which is indeed the correct word. And then you look at this barrel and you see there is a little flat bit right there at the end. And likewise, there is a little flat bit on the other side. Now, you take your wee little spanner, you put that in, and what I find easiest is push this down, gently screw it in, not too tightly, just screw it in, and then that way you can just start screwing this fairly easily. As you can see, it's not giving me any problems whatsoever. Anyway, you go that way, loosen up that mechanism. At this stage, it's easy. And the whole thing, it just pulls out, won't it? You see, I was a naughty boy and I left a little bit of that yellow ink in there. So that's how useful this is. Because it gets behind the seal sometimes a little bit, doesn't it? Anyway, you can do this. You can take it out. Make sure the barrel doesn't roll off your desk. I have vivid memories of that one. Now, here is your little seal. See, it's a little seal. Don't touch it too much. There's no point touching your seal the whole time. And take a little drop of that oil. I shall demonstrate. Now, by the way, when you get this bottle, this bit isn't punctured. So you got to puncture that. And you put a little bit on there. Just a little bit. You don't need that much. You don't need that much. Very gently. Squeeze it very, very gently. See, that's just a little bit. It's just a little bit. Go around. Don't need more than that. That's all you need. A little bit goes a long way in life, doesn't it? Now, take your barrel. Make sure you understand there is a section end and there is the back of the barrel end. This is the back of the barrel end. The section end has the threads, doesn't it? Because that's what the section screws into, isn't it? Okay, you take the barrel end. You take your mechanism. You don't need to do anything with that. You can clean it off a little bit if you want. You don't need to do much with it. And then gently slip it in from behind and just push it in there all the way, and you can start to screw that back in place. You don't need to over tighten anything. It's done. Now I like to take this bit, make sure it's screwed in properly, unscrew that, take out the little spanner. Look at that. Look at that cute wee little spanner. It even says Vac. It says it has the Gravitas logo. Eye for detail, isn't it? Okay, put that away. And now move this up and down a little bit, just to lubricate. See how well that mechanism works? See the wee little bits of water as droplets, isn't it? Yeah, well it works. Look how smooth it is. Very smooth. I love that sound. Now, your nib has been screwed back into the section, hasn't it? Make sure you don't get any of that grease on the nib. And you take this, keep a little bit of grease there if you want to. But it has a little O-ring. Should be okay. Gently take that. Make sure it's aligned properly. Screw that back in there. One final pop. Spluttered a little bit, but that's okay. Tighten that knob. Turn it around. Take your cap. Tighten that. Take a little pen stand. Put it down. Sit back and enjoy yourself a nice big plate of haggis with a small dram just for the fun of it. And that's it. Another beautiful pen disassembly line with your old friend Hamish McNag. Have a great evening or morning, whatever it is where you are. I wish you the very best. Bye.